So let me introduce to you my little friend, si Glock 18 Gforce by Wii Tactical. Actually, na-open ko na to last, at least, or I think last 2 days ago. Actually, maganda yung unit. So, yung slide is actually made of full metal. You do have actually a safety switch here sa trigger. And sa baba, meron din safety switch. Meron siyang option na semi-auto and full auto pag nasa baba. Meron siyang naka fiber optic na orange saka green if makikita nyo sa sa site nya. Meron na ding punisher na naka-embed. Actually, magbigating unit, most probably mga 500 to 700 grams or 800 grams. Mostly made of metal. Ito naman yung magazine, made of full metal as well. Yan yung gas release. Pag pinindot nyo, lalabas yung gas dito sa butas. And also, if gusto nyo maglagay ng gas dito sa butas na to, sa bilog. So I'll do a test fire again later. You'll see the difference between semi-auto saka yung auto.
A few moments later.
Semi-auto. Full auto. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, yung red na safety switch is here. Once you don't press that, hindi talaga puputok yung baril. So if you look at this one, hindi naka-press, ayaw pumutok. But if you press yung safety switch saka yung trigger, and just mind you that out of the box, yung kanyang FPS is approximately around 340 to 380. So medyo malakas siya. So paglagay ng magazine, dapat ganito. Huwag yung lupaypay o masyadong mahina paglagay ng magazine. Kasi if once mahina, parang ganyan, hindi siya malak. So dapat ganito. Regarding sa magazine, as I mentioned earlier, dito po nilalagay yung gas. If you can see, yan sa butas na yan. Diyan. So approximately around 7 to 8 seconds will do for green gas para mag-refill. And if you wish to release yung gas, baka sakali meron pang konting gas na tira sa magazine, just simply press yung button na to at lalabas dito yung yung natirang gas. Make sure na walang gas na tira sa magazine pag di ginagamit, because usually yun yung makadamage ng ng magazine nyo. Let me show you if paano maglagay ng green gas. So, dapat yung magazine nakaganito. Saka yung gas, which is this one. Green gas for airsoft. Sa taas. And also, another feature is yung rail na nasa baba ng unit. You can eventually put here laser or flashlight or laser and flashlight combination dito sa baba. And another thing, if gusto nyo pa mag maintenance ng unit, so you need to press this one. Press and slide it downwards. So basically, what you need to simply do for you to open yung slide is kakasan nyo muna, saka release, and then press this one and hold pababa, sabay yung slide nya papunta dito para matanggal yung slide. So, ito yung purpose ng switch na ito para matanggal yung slide niya. Saka, madali lang siyang ibalik.